Well, hey everybody, 650 Eve here. Welcome home to the channel. Today, I've got two beautiful machines out in the yard. My gorgeous 2023 Ducati Panigale V4R and the beautiful 2023 BMW M1000RR. And we've got our good buddy that you haven't seen on the channel for a very long time, Stunnerway, the Cleveland king of wheelies, is back. And today, he's gonna be riding mainly the M1000RR. I'm going to be on the Ducati for the most part, and we're going to do some smackdowns for your viewing pleasure. Now, you may have already seen, we put both those bikes on the dyno at GP Performance and Tuning, and the Panigale V4R produced 201 horsepower using Motul 300V oil. Then we put the beautiful M1000 on the dyno, and it made 191 horsepower. On that same dyno, same day, back to back. So today, I've got them on the scales and we're going to weigh them and check their weight. The Panigale V4R is the first to be put on the Intercomp wireless scales, and of course, as tradition, it is full of fuel. I bet it's almost probably too full. Oh yeah, oh gosh, shit. What the hell did I do with that fuel there? Okay, full of fuel. And it's coming in on the scales at 421 pounds. Let's see if I overfilled this one too. Okay, yeah, this one's full to the rim also. Okay, so we see that they're full of fuel. The V4R weighs 421 pounds. Next, I'm gonna put the M1000 on the scales. 415 pounds. Wow. That's because it has a carbon fiber subframe made by Full 6 and the Full 6 carbon fiber fuel tank. That definitely helps reduce its weight, but wow, totally impressive. 6 pounds lighter than the Panigale V4R. So after spending, it feels like an eternity in the hot sun getting these bikes connected to each other, and we got our Packtalks connected. I'm using the Packtalk Pro, he's using the Packtalk Edge. We are finally ready to hit the streets. He looks great in the gear. Yeah, but look, I've installed this man long enough. Let's hit these streets. I already told him it's GP shift, he knows that.
I'm just admiring the BMW.
Isn't it beautiful?
Oh man, this thing is loud as fuck.
Yes, sir. Well. Look who's back! Look who's back! Skywalking people! Just like it was yesterday! Just like it was yesterday! Wow! Alright. long day, well, not for me, but for Stunnerway, a long day of riding is in the books. We're at the pier, so now we get to hear from the man himself, the man that I resurrected back onto the filthy streets to ride motorcycles. Which one of these two bikes was your favorite?
BMW for sure.
The BMW, the M1000.
Yeah.
Why?
For sure. The shifting is smoother to me. It's more responsive. The throttle is more responsive.
Yep.
I think it has more power and more torque in 6th gear.
Yeah.
It's more comfortable.
Wow. A lot of things.
And it matches my watch.
And it matches your watch. Yeah, the rolling. Beautiful. What about the gauges and stuff too, man? How about
that, man, that TFT display on here.
Yeah.
With the flush mount, all of the carbon. You can't go wrong. This right here is the ultimate bike.
All right, so you heard it from Stunnerway, but guess what?
But that exhaust.
Yeah, loud, huh?
My God,
we couldn't hear each other in our Cardos because of your exhaust.
This exhaust is
loud, rowdy.
I don't even know what to call it.
Yeah.
But this bike overall, totally, man, is immaculate.
Wow.
Immaculate.
That's funny because on the previous generation of bikes, you preferred my 1199R over my HP4.
I still do.
So what's the deal with that?
The 1199, I like the short wheelbase on it.
Yeah.
And I like the nimbleness, but it's something about the vibration that bike
has.
The
L-twin engine.
I like that. I like the way it sounds. It don't sound like no other.
Yep.
And the vibration on it is just, it's calming.
Yes.
So
yeah.
So that's I like that 1199, and overall in looks, the way they place all of the red and black and a little bit of silver on there on that one on the 1199. It ain't like no other generation.
Yeah.
Even though they keep making a red version, red, black, and white version.
Yeah.
It still ain't like that 1199.
He's right.
When you put them all together, you're like, man, the 1199 is set apart from all the rest of the red version.
He's exactly right. So stay tuned, guys, because we're going to put Stunnerway on the 1199. I'm going to jump on the HP4, and of course, we're going to do some smackdowns. So stay tuned to see who's going to win that. Then, BMW is kind enough to send me a long-term loaner M1000 XR. And so Stunnerway and I are going to jump on the XR. He'll be on my RS, Multistrada V4 RS. And we'll do some experimenting on that. I keep focusing on the beautiful Alpinestars Supertech R10 helmet. It is absolutely amazing and beautiful. Isn't it nice looking? Yeah.
That bad boy is sporty than a mug.
Yeah.
That bad boy look good with the carbon fiber up underneath too.
Oh yeah. And then we had our Cardos attached today for perfect. That was beautiful, wasn't it? Being able to talk.
I like that. Yeah, being able to talk back and forth.
Yeah.
I like how those work.
Yeah, so we both had the Packtalk. I think I had the Packtalk Pro on mine today, and on his helmet he's sporting the Packtalk Edge. That's right. But very similar indeed. So stay tuned, guys. I hope you enjoy this series of videos. It's really fun producing this for you. And now we're going to hang out here at the pier, talk to some guys, enjoy some scenery of beautiful downtown, filthy Cleveland that seemingly is always under construction. But yeah, look at that. Mountains for people to jump and all that kind of cool stuff. That's Lake Erie back there. Stay tuned, guys. We got more videos coming. Thanks for viewing.